Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsor product. We are going to unbox it. This is from All Powers. It is portable power station and we have over here the solar power panels. So let's open it and see what we got inside. This is really cool unit. Based on the specifications, this is really well made unit that can help you a lot whenever you need in case of some emergency. You have lights out, you have some storm coming in, so this will help you. Over here, once you open the box, you see this package. It tells you what's inside. There are some information, some user manual, and you have a cable here to charge it with the regular uh, house AC unit. So here inside the box, as you can see, that's the main unit. So let's take it out, and I don't see anything else in the box. So let's put this on the side, and it is kind of heavy, so let's check what's inside the box, if anything else. I don't really see anything else in the box. And over here we have the main unit. So this is what you see once you take it out from the box. You have DC outlet here. You plug in your car charger and charge anything you might need to use. Let's say you have some tire inflator, you can use it. And over here we have DC output as well. You have two regular USB type A, and I believe this is USB type 3, which provides fast transactions, I mean fast charging and all those things. And over here we have the type C, and you can see it provides 100 watt. And over here we have the regular uh, household plugs. These are 20 amp, I believe it can support, and you have four of them. So as you can see, that's what you get, right? And here, if you press and hold this for 3 seconds, it will activate the Bluetooth so that you can connect the application to the machine. You can use your cell phone to connect the application. It has an application. And another nice, really cool feature is this has two wireless charger here, and they provide 15 watt each, so you will get fast charging on both sides. Let's say you have two devices, you place and it will charge. That is really cool feature. And over here you can see some information here. If you press, it says expand battery and one port, another port. You can see you have the ports here. And let's turn the other way. And once you want to charge it, you would use these ports. So over here you have the regular AC charger, which you use this thing and you just plug it in. So you would plug it in here and just plug to your regular household plug, and it will charge. And over here, this is for the solar panel. Once you set up your solar panel, you just plug this in and it will start charging. And you can also put it on your car as well. And over here there is an a overload protection. It will just if it's overload, it will reset. So you press this and you can reset it. So overall, that's what you see. So once you press and hold, it should turn on the unit and it will tell you what is going on. So right now you can see uh, it is 69% charge, and you can see some other information here. What is the input, what is the output, and here it tells you how many days you can use. It says 9 days. So I'm going to unbox the solar power panels as well. Let's do that together and see what we got in here. So once you open this can work really well if you are going outdoor on a camp or some other emergency things that can help really. You can see here we have the solar panel which has this nice carrying case, which is really cool. You also have a small compartment here for the wires, and you can see the wires, and you also have different adapters for like charging different devices. That is really cool. You have some manuals, and you have the connectors for the panels. So let's take these out, what we need. So over here, these are the legs that once you open the panels, you can just extend it and place it on its. So let's figure it out how we open this. So here you have these, and once you are ready, you can just extend all. You can see it has 4 panels. So this is how you would just use it. You would just open it and then put it on its leg. So let's do that. So here you have the legs. You would just pull this out, and you have 3 of them. So it can just lay it on its back this way. So as you can see, it looks nice. It can stay sturdy. You can just point where the sun is coming, and once you are ready, you can plug it in. So I'm going to pause and set it up and come back. So as you guys can see, I just position to the sun and I connect to wires. So you have this wire. If you want to charge the portable power station, you use this one. But let's say you have another type of things, like let's say you have other devices that you want to charge, you can also use the panels. And just if that's the case, you can just connect this one to the wire here, and also you can use these other nice heads that it comes with. You can just plug it in here, and you would be able to power your device if it's using the same input with these things. So that is really cool feature. I really like the options they provide. So that is really good. You can see you can just plug this way and charge your devices with just a solar panel. You don't need to carry the power station with you if that is the case. As you can see right now, it is charging, and you can see it is circling around, and it is indicating that it is charging. And you can see right now it has 67 watt input. As you can see, the sun is not covering all the way on the last two section, but here, even with that, you get good amount of input watts here, like this, and this will continue charging. You can also see is charging. So that is really nice. I'm not sure how long it takes to charge just with the solar panels, but I'm gonna let it stay here and see how long it's gonna take. Also, I'm going to show you guys, demonstrate. I'm gonna plug some stuff here. Maybe I will use a kettle and see how it performs. So let me come back. Just to test it out, I just brought the hair dryer and the kettle. So over here, as you can see right now, it doesn't show any output, but as soon as we turn the thing, you can see it just jumps out to 1600 watt. It just handles, you can see it's on the highest heating setting right now. You see, if I just close the heating settings, it just drops down, but if I just open the heating, it's just going to jump up, and it's gonna continue working. That is really cool. You know, these things can take a lot of power, so that works good. So let's try the kettle. So here we are going to plug this in and press this on. You can see right now it is on, the lights on, and you can see it just shows the current voltage it's taking. Like right now it's about 1400 watt it's taking output, and you can see it is still charging and it's also consuming. You can see some numbers here. So I'm gonna try to see if it's gonna be able to run both together. I definitely doubt it's not gonna happen because it's going to overload, but let's see. I'm just gonna try without the heat settings on. So let's see. Without the heat, you can see it's still working, but I'm gonna turn on the heat and let's see if it's gonna be able to do that. Right now you can see it's going over 2000 watts, and as I suspected, it wasn't able to handle that wattage because it goes around 1800 watt. So we just overload it, but that is good. It has good feature. It just overloaded and it just shut off the thing by itself, which is cool. So let's reset it here. I believe you just turn it on and off to reset. So once you do that, it should continue charging. Yes, as you can see, it's still heating and it's almost I can see the water is getting ready for boiling point. So overall it looks really cool. You can do a bunch of good stuff, and you can use this, you can use your refrigerator about 7 hours with this. This kind of kettles maybe 1 hour or so, and your TV, I believe it was mentioning up to like 9 hours. So possibilities are endless with this thing, especially if you are outside going for a hiking, going for some couple days out. You know, this can help you uh, power off your devices, and you can see you can charge your uh, device with this. If you don't need to carry this around, if you are able to just power it with just the solar panel itself, you can do so. So I can hear the water is about to boil and it's still showing without any issue. It's able to handle it. Well, overall, it feels really well made. I'm going to let it here. We have little bit sun. Once it's moved over there, I will position the panels over there and let it charge and see how long it takes. So far I see uh, what it can do. It's not gonna be able to use like heavy stuff like over 1800 watt. It's gonna shut off by itself. That is cool feature, but if you are not gonna overload more than 1800 watt, you would be able to use 4 devices at the same time. So that is good. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I'm going to have another follow-up videos as well, but for now, thank you for watching.